going on YouTube? We are back. We are back. You can hear the sounds. We are back at Kuwait Motor Town for road racing. We got Godzilla with a parachute, a couple other Godzillas. A lot of cars are still rolling up. But let's go ahead and show you some of the cars. You guys know everything 1320 happens right here. We got another video of a car show. Stay tuned, watch the next two videos, and let's go. Like I said, we have another GTR fully built. You can see the parachute, CCO wheels out of Georgia, pro race built. Hopefully I'll catch this thing coming off the trailer. We have another GTR. 911 turbo in a pretty nice yellow spec. Cammed out Z06 C6, big inlet. A nice color and spec GTR. Another GTR. Again, GTRs kind of dominate the Middle East when it comes to race cars. But I believe all of these are from Pro Race. If you don't know what Pro Race is, watch my last video. They had the Lambo, the purple GTR, which is like one of the fastest GTRs in the Middle East. He keeps talking. We have another C6, Z06. Big wheels in the back. Nice spec. Mustangs everywhere today, and you'll see that up here. Got a teal blue V8 turbo Mercedes. If you know me, this was something that was actually an idea for a daily, with it being a twin turbo V8, but just with where I wanted to take the channel, it was not what I wanted to do. But a C63S is a super clean car, again, a V8 with a turbo. But let's head up to where the Mustang is. We have a true drag car. You can see the turbos in the front, big wing. Another Mustang. You can see cutouts, dumps, CCO wheels, front skinnies, turbo. All the Mustangs right here. Turbo, Pro Charge Mustang, a Whipwood Mustang. You can see it from the plate. No Oh, he's got a 302. Still could be supercharged, some sort. Again, we got a Pro Charge 5.0 and a blue Z06. Again, I'm just showing you all the cars before we dive into them. But again, this is like Mustang Alley today. It is Mustangs everywhere, or there are Mustangs everywhere. And you know me, I'm not a Mustang guy. But then we got a nice come out and play Corvette with some nitrous in the back. Supercharged Mustang with a Magnuson. Like I said, Mustangs for days. Another 911 Turbo S. Clean spec, the white with the black and yellow. I think it's got yellow brakes. Yep, yellow brakes. Z51, Holly EFI high ram, C7, and a Nitrous Express Z01, Grip Tech pulley, spacer, Rotofag, big gulp. If it's cammed, it might be a little quick, but it's super clean. And then one thing I will say is heavy in the Middle East are these Supras. And I mean, there's hundreds of them on the roads. They have a bunch of them that are built for drag racing. See, we got a nice Camaro SS, another turbo. No, that's not a turbo S, that's a regular turbo Porsche. Camaros. Got a Whipwood F-150 over here. Show you all. Let me not lie, I think it's a turbo to F1. Turbo, geez, Whipwood F-150. It might just be a 5.0. Nope, it is a Whipwood F-150. Big Whipwood supercharger. Another Z06. Another Whipwood 5 F-150. Again, Mustangs for days. Mustangs for days. We're gonna hop over to the other side and I'm gonna show you the rest. Then we'll actually go catch some races. Then we have one of the cleanest Shelby GT500 colors I've ever seen. Now, it doesn't have the carbon. I wish it had the carbon. It has the gloss black. But the pine green is actually very clean. The spec is crazy. He's got the ET Street S's on the back. Now, this is a Mustang I can get with if it had the carbon fiber. I decided to come back to this one because this is the closest thing to a CTSV that you're going to have. Again, your LT4. Again, you can see the nitrous. That's a fuel line, sorry. So he probably runs E85. Nice weld racing wheels. Overall, clean ZL1. Obviously, you can see the carbon fiber hood. But again, he's got the nitrous plates. I'm trying to see what else he has. But it's probably a 700 wheel horsepower car. So like I said, we have my man Sultan's 440 Scat Pack. Fully customized inside and out. Brass monkeys. Leather wrapped roof. Even the sunroof. Inside, you probably can't tell, he's got a cage. I'll come make him open the car here in a second. It is drag ready. Again, they are racing. It is drag ready. It has a roll cage, everything. Spoiler exhaust. All types of stuff done to this. A nice Lotus. And this is a good spec. It even has the British flag on top. Good clean spec. Like I said about the Supers, man, they're everywhere. Just like the GTRs. Of course, we have my dream car. This is my guy's GT3 RS. I wish I could remember his Instagram name. I'm sorry if you're watching this, brother. I know your Instagram name, but he's got a nice orange specced out GT3 RS. You can see the roll cage. Super clean, got the carbon wing. Again, for my birthday, you guys may see this come across the channel. We got a nice 370Z, bagged out Supra. Again, Supras are everywhere. Nice rapid blue C8. Insane color. Z51 Corvette. A nice wrapped C7 Z51 Corvette. Another Z51 C8 Corvette. In one of the better colors, the orange. Peanut butter seats. And it's starting to grow on me. Especially being able to see the interior. You can't tell me that's not a good looking car. I'm gonna find Sultan wherever he is. He's somewhere around here, but he is always moving. So I'll have him open the Scat Pack. You can see we got a wide body Scat Pack over here. Again, it's different to see a lot of the American cars not in an American country, right? But you do have a wide body Scat Pack. On some aftermarket wheels, you can see super clean color. Then we have some drift cars. You guys don't know, they're really, really big in drifting over here. Sorry, I had to read something right quick. They do this all the time at the drift track. Try to head over there at some point before I leave. You got GTRs. This is the taxi. This thing goes absolutely insane at the track. I may as well show you guys. It's got a nice size motor, and you can see a lot of the gauges are outside the car. And this thing shoots like 6-foot flames. It's insane. Then we have a nice, I think it's an M4, big wing. Ferrari with red seats, satin black. They're playing music, so they're gonna kill me. I gotta be short. And then we have, again, Mustang Alley. And I'm gonna tell you one thing that bothers me. If you notice, they got a nice little beadlock setup, and then they don't have the right tire size for the skinny. The tires folded over. It's a few of them that have it. This one as well. One of my biggest pet peeves. Again, Mustang guys, y'all gotta do better. As you can see, it's a circle of Mustangs, Mitsubishis. You guys saw enough Mustangs over there in the last video. If you didn't watch my last video, go check that out. But let's get to what you guys came to see, and that is some Mopars. So we got a nice group of Mopars. We have a Daytona Hellcat here with the, obviously you can see the big white stripe in the rear, the gray 5-spoke with the white brakes. One of the cleaner ones. We thought this one was gonna go crazy in the market because they only made, I think, like 501. But then they flooded the market with all these other last calls. We got a 345. with a Scat Pack B, whatever that means. We got a nice Hellcat Charger, again with the gray 5-spoke. Seems to be a thing. Another Charger. But again, you guys see the Mopars that are out here right now. Favorite has to be that super clean Daytona. All right, you guys saw all the racing. You guys got to see a couple or all of the drag cars that are here. But what you don't know is the parking lot be a car show itself. Let me know what your favorite car was. Make sure you watch both videos, my racing and the car show. If you didn't, it's one of the last times we're going to be in the Middle East for a while, maybe, right?
Like, comment, subscribe.
All that, everything 1320.